Good day, traders. This is Master FX Shifu from the Universal Forex Dojo. Let's hop onto the charts and see what we've got for the day. Now, before we do that, let's check out the Wushu 2.0.
Automate your entire trade management process with the most advanced tool on the market. Remove emotions, perfect execution, all instruments. Trade the Asian session, London session, and New York session in your sleep. Spend less than 2 hours on charts and allow the Wushu to trade for you through all sessions. Wushu 2.0 features auto place, stop orders, auto break even, auto partials, auto trail stop, proprietary auto exit strategy. How it all works. Step 1. Analyze your charts and set up your trade ideas. Step 2. Input your trade setups, entry point, stop loss, and risk. Step 3. Go about your day and let the Wushu do all the work through all sessions. Summary. The Wushu will position size for you, auto place stop order, move stop to break even, take partials for you, trail stop, limit max loss for the day. Auto hedge new feature. The Wushu 2.0 Auto Hedge Mode will hedge every position you take. It will manage the 2 positions using the Dojo proprietary exit mode. The Wushu will proceed to close the losing position and take profits from the winning position. The Wushu 2.0 Auto Hedge Mode is set to close at 1.5 R of every position it takes. Take your trading to the next level with the Wushu 2.0. Get our tool, uniforexdojo.com. info@uniforexdojo.com.
Good day, traders. Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well today. This is Master FX Shifu, and we're about to hop on to the live stream for the day and just see how far we go. Okay, so firstly, yesterday we had quite a good day. We had this is from the signals, by the way. So we first had this one, which was a break even, so it really doesn't really count. I mean, if it had hit 2R, then yeah, we're gonna have a better day. And then we had KJPY. KJPY literally went inside our zone, triggered and left, hitting 2.78 R, which was pretty good. And then we basically just got kicked out at 1 R. That's decent. And then USD Swiss franc, this one completely left us. It never really came back into a zone, so that was a bummer. So I'm just going to remove that and just make sure that I do market, and then yeah, we'll see how that goes moving forward. And then we had CAD Swiss franc, which I basically posted and asked that everybody goes in immediately, because the thing, when I posted it, the setup was somewhere around here, or somewhere around here actually, yeah. So I didn't really wait for price to get inside and come back, because of this nice and decent imbalance that was closed right before this BOS over here. But yeah, this was a pretty decent trade as well, maxing out at 3.8 R. So that was a good one. Now moving forward for the day, we are gonna take a look at some of the setups that you guys want me to look at. This was based on the poll that was sent in there, and then we will see how that works out for the day. So currently we are up 1.8% for the month. So we'll see how we close this month. And I think we can just check on the bottom right corner. You'll see our stats. If you do need our journal, that's fine. Just give us a shout, because we are uploading our website with this information. Then you can just hop on and take a look to see what you want to see. Okay. Moving on, we're gonna start with gold. Take a look at what gold is giving us today, and hopefully we can find something decent. Already we can see that it literally came to this area, missed that point right there, but that's fine. I'm just gonna erase this as well because price literally completely left us, so we're not gonna take advantage of that one. But you can see that on this way up here, it left some balances there. So let's just see where we are and where you're most likely going to head to, and see what structure is giving us. See what structure is giving us on the on gold. Let's take a look at the 15. Okay, no, this one we're totally gonna ignore. I know exactly what I'm looking for, guys, so don't be surprised. You can learn that in the boot camp. You can learn in the boot camp, know exactly what we're looking for, and then we'll see how that works out. Okay, this one also left us. We missed it. We're not really up for that when it happened, so that was a bit of a bummer, but it does happen to the best of us. Just trying to pick a bias for the day, so we're most likely going to head, and of course looking for my structure. Nothing there. Let's look at ECAD. If I don't find anything on these ones, I'm just gonna move to the top and actually start looking for it manually, just so I can show you guys how I basically teach how to find the setups. Okay, I'm just gonna go back into them to the beginning. This one hit a break even, so it went all the way up to 1.7. Did show that to you guys. Hit break even, and then of course I came back down, so I'm just gonna erase that. Okay, so just based off what I see now, I'm just gonna try and pick out an entry point, and then we're gonna try and see if we can make it work. Then I'm gonna look for 2 more setups that could potentially trigger, and then of course we try and break it down from there. Okay, there we go. There's a lot of reason for price to come back into that region. I always want to include these lows as well, just so I don't get wicked out unnecessarily. And then let's see how the 5 is looking. There's still that one there as well, but it left that one at the bottom, so I think I'm going to leave it at as is for now. I'm also going bullish on this one, so it'll look something like that, going for these highs. There we go. So that's how we'll approach AUD/JPY. Remember to stack the odds in your favor. It's not really about being right. It's more about stacking the odds in your favor and maximizing on your winning trade. So you don't really want an over-the-top win rate. You just want a decent win rate with some good risk management, and then you should be perfect along the way. Okay, let's see what we have here on Bitcoin. Nothing there. CAD Swiss franc. Nothing there that we can use. Nothing there. DJI. Nothing there. I'm looking for specifics, guys. I'm looking for specifics, and you'll just see how I quickly go through the setups. Just looking for specifics. Okay, so this one here, we could potentially find something. Okay, let me just move that over there and move the price points so that okay, so we had this POS over here. Price came back into that. I think if we go into the lower time frames, we could probably find something inside of this one here, but no. Let's not push it. Euro NZD. This one did not trigger. It just left us, which is fine. It does happen. USD, we just checked it out. So now I'm looking at this massive push to the downside. Now, ideally, when you see something like this, you start expecting certain moves to start happening. I mean, we took out this liquidity over here. Look at that, took out those equal highs. We can potentially find something using this imbalance and that OB as well. Ideally, you'd probably look at it from that point over there. And then let's see how the 5 minute is looking. Yeah, I think I'm going to tackle it from this point. And then we'll see if it does come back in there. And you can see it's filling out those. So if it does come back in there, we would look at a potential. Then we'll see how that goes. There we go. And then, of course, targeting these lows over there. Then would have something along these lines. Okay, so I hope I'm making sense for you guys. I hope I'm making sense. And then we'll see how your USD works out. And then we'll definitely be good. Okay, and then moving forward, AUD Swiss franc. Nope. GA. GCAD. Okay. That was just detrimental here. Okay, let's see how the 15 is looking. Yeah. Yep. I think I'm probably gonna go for a sell in this area. There we go. There we go, the sell. Brilliant. Mark that as well. And then we move forward. Still want to be in the hourly, guys. Still want to be in the hourly. So I think that is 3 setups that I'll just leave as is. I am going to analyze the rest and of course go into the other time frames and see what we can find for the advanced signals. Do check them out and of course check out our funded program partners there. Check out the Wushu Toolbox, brilliant tool, and of course check out our bootcamp. Check you guys later. I will be posting another one tomorrow, and of course until we have our power all sorted on our side, then we can hop back onto our live streams. Happy trading, guys. Cheers.